Hello everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped. Today I am coming to you guys with a new head wrap tutorial. We are going to be working on a headband today, guys. So grab a snack and come right back. I'm just kidding. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be using our Molly head wrap. This is one of my favorite wraps because it is double-sided, and you'll see how that comes in handy as you do your wrap. So I am going to open my wrap all the way wide like this, and I'm going to fold it in half once. Make sure that your corners are evenly put together, and make sure they're evenly put together on both sides actually. And I'm going to fold it one more time so we get like that band look. And do you guys see how that double-sided print really helps? You can't really tell which side is like dull. It's just great to have fabric that doesn't look dull on one side and amazing on the other side. It just looks amazing on both sides, so that's fantastic. So we have folded twice. Now we're going to come around the head like so. Meet both sides evenly, and we're going to tie once. Now if you're wearing this in the winter time, you can actually cover your ears, and this could also double as like a cute little earmuff thing going on. But it is the dead summer, so I'm not going to do that. So after we tie once, we are going to tie again, and this is what I call a double knot. We're not going to tie so tight. We want it a little bit loose. That way we can fluff it. That's actually the next step. We are going to fluff our fabric. Fluff it, fluff it, fluff it. And that's how fluffing is like a really awesome technique you need to learn with head wraps, because it makes your wraps look more artistic and more put together. So after we fluff a little bit, we're going to take one end and push it through, but not all the way through. We're just going to leave a little out. So you can put it through any hole. There's no right or wrong way to do this wrap, by the way. Just put it in any hole, and then you just mold it from there. So we're going to fluff a little bit. And after that, we're going to take this other end, and we're going to put it through another hole if I can find one. Ah, right here. And we're going to fluff that as well. And we're going to continue to fluff, because that is the secret to this wrap. Fluff and push, fluff and push. And I'm going to continue to do this for a moment. Fluff and push. Till I have my desired style. I think we are where I want to be. Yep, that's how I want to look. This is great to wear to festivals. You know, it's July, all the festivals are getting ready to come up. This is great to wear in the fall, great to wear in the winter. It's great to wear in the heat of the summer, especially if you guys have like a wig or a weave. I know that in this kind of weather, curls do not hold up. So if you are like a faithful wig wearer, and you know your hair is just all over the place, it's great to wear a little head wrap band like this over top of your hair to just keep it down and keep your hair flowing. So we give you guys a quick look. I hope this head wrap tutorial has helped you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.